Hey guys, this is my bike check. I just needed to update one because I got new shit. Anyways, I have the Shadow 13 grips. They're kind of starting to wear out already. I don't really like them that much, but it gets the job done, I guess. Still the animal bar ends. Shadow Voltus bars in white with 9 res. They're huge. This wiener. Shadow Attack stem. Still the stupid green color. Stock headset. Primo Kamikaze forks. Front wheel, the Alienation rim laced to the Amber hub. Fly Rubin Rampara tire 235. Got the Colony Star pivotal. I'm gonna try to get a new one though. It's starting to rip. Primo seat post. Twisty PC pedals. Starting to wear out. Ezra Geist cracks. Yeah, Amber Sage Rocket. This one is purple instead of the last one I had was black. Just figured I'd add color to my bicycle. Same Shadow half length that I had. Still the same back wheel. The Hazard light laced to the Primo mix. And the Fly Rubin Rampire tire again. And I still have a stock bottom bracket. Yeah, that's about it, I guess. I'm gonna work on getting those other new things. Hopefully. Well, that's about it. So yeah.